Good day everyone, my name is Isaac Johnson.
My name is Precious David.
My name is Kumalafeni.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ekene Lemuwa. I'm a student and trainee at Shoot Like a Pro.
The journey so far has been an amazing one. You know, cinematography is all about storytelling. The first experience I had with my first group art was something I didn't actually expect. But when I got there, I had to bring out the creativity.
My journey so far has been an amazing one, has been innovative, has been educative. I'm very happy that I'm a participant in this training.
So far so good. My journey here has been amazing and has been fun, and we've come to understand and learn the ethics of cinematography filmmaking.
The training here at Shoot Like a Pro is totally intense because we've done series of lectures, even when it comes to composition and framing, even video editing. In the handling of the cameras, we've gone a little bit extra to carry out group documentaries, and the first documentary we have carried out so far is on a very popular filmmaker here in the city of Port Harcourt named Amaka.nj.
Come to understand the do's and don'ts of setting up a set and how to light up sets and all.
Do practicals on this stage. It's not as if you're just sitting in one place and you're just talking about the whole stuff. This one, you're going out to have a real life experience of how this stage is like.
As we had lesser difficulties, it came out to be the best. For me, we had to know how to set our ISO, our aperture and the rest of it to get the video an excellent one.
And the second one which we embarked on is the one for drainage, and the title of that is Drains of Despair. So we've done 2 documentaries and we have other ones to go, and those ones are intense before we hit the streets to face the real life job that will be waiting for us. It gets easier handling the cameras because these are the things we've learned in the in-house training. We've learned camera positioning, aperture, lighting, sound, and whatever there is in shooting a video.
My coming here has been fruitful like I imagined it to be, and I want to be grateful for our boss, Ajud, for sharing the knowledge he has been sharing with us. It has been a privilege to learn from under him, and
we see yourself like somebody. First of all, you come to the class, the training hall, and Shoot Like a Pro. First of all, you don't know anything about camera composition, exposure triangles, and all of those stuff. You know nothing about it, and see yourself also manipulating those things and shooting by yourself, editing by yourself. Like, you now have the experience that you don't know anything about when you first started. Is amazing. So I want to thank our boss for that, because he has been here for us to give us that knowledge that we want, and the attention and everything.
we still have so many other documentaries yet undone, and we are still planning on making our.
Ever since I finished school, I had to stay back at home a little while to, decide on what I'm going to do, and I'm happy that I found this opportunity, because it has gone a long way to help me to, be better, and I know that by the end of this workshop, at least I know to an extent I can carry out a documentary of my own. I can shoot and I can edit by myself. So everybody out there,
continue to follow our pages on Instagram, Facebook, and all other social media platforms.
Keep watching, support us, keep liking, keep sharing. We are truly grateful. We see what you are doing for us, and
thank you.
My name is Ekene Lemuwa, and this is Shoot Like a Pro.